look at video on this item given to me by a friend of mine. I thought it was a pretty nice item. And this is just to look at a close-up look so you can see what you're getting. A lot of times the pictures like on Amazon, just you can't really get a good look or anything on the actual item. So I do these videos just to show you. Like if you were holding it in your hand and checking it out at the store. So I hope I am doing that. He no longer needs it or he actually never used it. And I thought, you know what, let me just show it to persons on YouTube, just in case they're interested in getting it, how it actually looks up close. I don't know if I'm gonna use it. I'm probably gonna keep it put away, and I guess I'll find some use out of it. Maybe I'll run into a friend of mine or something that can use it. I'm gonna plug it in so I can show you. I think there's a light that comes on, a night light. So it's, what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 outlets. I'm not a expert on electrical items. This is to screw it in so that it only goes to one outlet, and then you screw it in the middle and it becomes the main outlet. So that way when you pull out the plug doesn't come off when you screw it on. So that's why that has that. So let me let me do some measurements for you. Total size. In case you need this info for where you want to plug it in. So. I like it. It's nice. Not heavy at all. Let's plug it in just to see how it looks. Let me get a plug over here, a quick one. Just for testing. And this, how does, oh, there it goes. Okay. So I thought it was a button. It's not. Again, I'm not an expert. Oh, look at the little green light. Cover it, and night light comes on, as you can see. See the light? So if you have a hall, this will probably work well in the hallway. If you don't have a night light and you want extra extension cords on the hall, this will give you some light on your path. That's pretty cool. I like it. Take it off. At night. What happened? Oh, there it goes. Okay. Pretty cool. Alright, so it has to be totally dark. Nice. Alright, so I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye now.